How big is the universe? Have you ever pondered this question when you gaze at the stars? Where exactly are the boundaries of the universe? How vast is it? What is Earth, our home planet, compared to this boundless cosmos? If we begin our exploration of its scale with our solar system, we'll first discover that even in this interstellar home we know best, distances are unimaginable. The solar system spans approximately 1 light-year. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take a full year to traverse it. Voyager 1, the farthest probe ever launched by humanity, has traveled nearly 24 billion kilometers in almost 50 years, at a speed of 17 kilometers per second. At this speed, traversing 1 light-year would take at least 17,000 years, longer than the entire history of human civilization. However, the solar system is merely a drop in the ocean within the Milky Way Galaxy, which is approximately 100,000 light-years in diameter and contains hundreds of billions of stars. If we imagine the Milky Way as a magnificent city, then the solar system is just a small house within it. The Sun takes a full 220 million years to orbit the center of the Milky Way, and since its birth, it has only completed 25 orbits. In other words, even in the age of dinosaurs, the Sun was still on its final journey. If we look further into the universe, the Milky Way is just one part of a much larger structure. It belongs to the local group, which is about 10 million light-years in diameter and contains more than 50 galaxies similar to the Milky Way. The local group itself is part of the Virgo Supercluster, which is 110 million light-years in diameter and contains hundreds of galaxy groups. The number of stars within it is unimaginable, but even the Virgo Supercluster is just a small region within the much larger Laniakea Supercluster. The Laniakea Supercluster spans over 520 million light-years and contains at least 100,000 galaxies, each of which may contain countless stars similar to the Sun, and stars orbiting them. However, even at this scale, it is still not the entirety of the universe. The observable universe currently known to humankind has a diameter of approximately 93 billion light-years, a figure estimated by scientists using measurements of cosmic expansion and redshift. However, this does not mean that the true size of the universe is limited to this, because the universe is constantly expanding, and this expansion rate may even exceed the speed of light. The observable universe is only a portion of it. Just as we, standing on the shore, can only see up to the sea level, the true ocean is far more vast than the world before us. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. However, due to the expansion of space itself, as light travels from distant galaxies to Earth, space itself is stretched. Therefore, the most distant celestial objects we can observe may already be far beyond a straight-line distance of 13.8 billion light-years. Some scientists speculate that the true size of the universe may be several times larger than the observable universe, or even infinitely large, though we cannot currently confirm this. Beneath this vast expanse of space, humanity appears so insignificant. Our Earth is merely a speck of dust, revolving around an ordinary star, and all our civilization, history, and stories have unfolded on this tiny planet. Compared to this, personal gains, losses, and anxieties seem insignificant. But it is precisely because of this that humanity's exploration of the universe is all the more precious. Perhaps in the future, technological breakthroughs will allow us to traverse the distances between stars, venturing into the far reaches of the universe to unravel those unsolved mysteries. Now, as you gaze at the night sky again, do you feel that beneath this night sky, not only are there countless stars, but also the endless curiosity and dreams of humankind?